In this video, I'm going to teach you how to export or save one page as a PDF on Word. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. To start off, open your Microsoft Word application and open the document from which you want to extract a page as a PDF. Once you have your document ready and open, take a moment to find the page you wish to save. Confirm that everything on that page looks exactly how you want it to appear in the final PDF. It's always a good idea to do a quick spell check or formatting check to ensure it's perfect. Next, head over to the top toolbar and click on File. This will open up a new menu where you can see various options related to your document handling. From this list, find and click on Save As. The Save As option is what allows us to change the format of our file to something other than the default Word document format. After you click on Save As, you'll be prompted to choose a location where you'd like to save your PDF file. Select a folder that's easy for you to remember, and maybe create a new folder for this specific task if you find yourself exporting pages often. Organizing your files now can save you a lot of hassle later. Once a location is selected, you'll need to adjust the file type. You'll see there's a drop-down menu labeled Save As Type. Click on this menu and scroll through the available options until you find PDF. Select PDF from this list. Before finalizing the save, you'll need to set some options specific to extracting just one page. So before you hit save, look for and click on options in the Save As dialog box. This is a crucial step most people might miss. The options button will allow you to specify which pages of your document to include in the PDF file. In the options menu, locate the section that deals with page ranges. Here you can specify exactly which page you want to export. Since we're focusing on just one page, use the page range area and choose the option for current page to ensure that only the page you've selected is saved. Finally, simply hit OK, then click Save. Your PDF will be created and saved to the location you specified, including only the current page you've selected. And that's it, you now have a neatly prepared PDF of just one page, ready to be shared or stored as needed. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tech tips like this. See you in the next video.